Okay, this is the ratio and proportion sum shown. You remember this is an important sum. So, what is the sum? Three numbers. There are three numbers, and they are in the ratio of 3 and 1 by 3 is to 4 and 1 by 5 is to 6 and 1 by 8. Okay, and that means they are in the ratio of 10 by 3 is to 21 by 5 is to 49 by 8. You know this. Okay. Now it is given that the sum of the three numbers is 4917. This is given to you. Okay. Now you are going to find out what are the individual three numbers. We have not been given individual three numbers. Their sum we have been given, and they are in this ratio that we have been told. Now how do we do? You know this, first part divided by total part into the total amount. I have told you before itself. This is the thumb rule for finding out each part in the ratio. Okay. Now what is the total part? Total part means 10 by 3 plus 21 by 5 plus 49 by 8. We found that out to be 1639 by 120. Alright. Now the total amount, the sum of these amounts is given to be 4917. So what is the value of each number? Let us find out. The first part will be 10 by 3 divided by total part, which is 1639 by 120, multiplied by total amount, which is given to us as 4917. That means 10 by 3. So one fraction divided by another fraction, then it becomes reciprocal of the second fraction. So 10 by 3 multiplied by 120 by 1639. Yeah. And then multiplied by the total amount 4917. So 1639 multiplied by 3 is 4917. So you can divide this and see 4917, 1639, it will come to 3. So the denominator is 1, numerator is 3. Also here this 3 will 3 ones are 3 and 43s are 120. So what are the numerator elements? 10 multiplied by 40 multiplied by 3. Denominator there is nothing, there is just 1 in the denominator. So 10 into 440 into 30, that is 400 into 3, 10 into 40 into 3, sorry, that is 400 into 3, which is 1200. So we have found out the first number and we found out the value is 1200. Okay. Now what is the second part now? Second part is this, the second part of the ratio, this 21 by 5. 21 by 5 divided by total part. Total part another 1639 divided by 120 multiplied by the total amount. So this is again similarly 21 by 5 multiplied by, so reciprocal of this, so which becomes 120 by 1639 multiplied by 4917. So like I told you, this and this cancels with 3 on top, because 1639 into 3 is 4917. You can see for yourself. Okay, so here 5 ones are 5 and 5 24s are 120. So again denominator there is nothing, only 1. Numerator is 21 into 24 into 3, which comes to 1512. Okay, what is the third part? So the second number we have found out again. Okay, so the third number, how will we find out? Third number is 49 by 8 divided by total part into total amount, which again doing all this we get it to be 2205. Now how do we know that we have arrived at the right answer? So we said this is the first number, this is the second number, this is the third number. How do we know we have arrived at the right answer? Add these things. We add these things, you get the number 4917. That is what is given to us. That means we are correct. Have you understood, Sean?